Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the Samsung 32GB DDR5 SODIMM, specifically the M425R4GA3B SODIMM model. If you're looking to breathe new life into your laptop or max out its memory capacity for demanding tasks, this might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. This is a single 32GB module built on the DDR5 SODIMM 262-pin format, designed for laptops and notebook computers. The key here is DDR5, the latest generation of RAM, offering significant improvements over DDR4 in terms of speed and efficiency. This particular module boasts a speed of 5600 MHz, which translates to PC 5-44800, or sometimes referred to as PC 5-5600B. What does that mean for you? Faster loading times, smoother multitasking, and an overall more responsive system. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who juggles multiple applications at once, the increased bandwidth and speed of DDR5 can make a noticeable difference. This Samsung module is NONCC unbuffered, meaning it's designed for standard consumer laptops and isn't intended for mission-critical servers that require error correction. It's a 2RX8 or dual rank X8 configuration. Dual rank memory can sometimes offer a slight performance advantage over single rank, as it allows the memory controller to access more data in parallel. It adheres to the JEDEC DDR5 standard, operating at a voltage of 1.1 V. This lower voltage compared to previous generations contributes to better power efficiency, which can translate to longer battery life in your laptop. Installation is generally straightforward, but always consult your laptop's manual to ensure compatibility and proper installation procedures. Make sure your laptop supports DDR5 SODIMM modules and that it can handle a 32GB module. Some laptops have limitations on the maximum amount of RAM they can support. The benefits of upgrading to 32GB of RAM are numerous. You'll experience improved performance in memory-intensive applications like video editing software, graphic design programs, and demanding games. You'll also be able to run more applications simultaneously without experiencing slowdowns or lag. For those who frequently work with large files or data sets, the increased memory capacity can significantly reduce processing times. Samsung is a well-respected brand in the memory industry, known for producing high-quality and reliable components. This DDR5 module is no exception. It's built to meet the demanding specifications of modern laptops and is backed by Samsung's reputation for quality. In conclusion, the Samsung 32GB DDR5 5600MHz SODIMM is a solid upgrade option for anyone looking to boost their laptop's performance. Its high speed, large capacity, and efficient design make it a worthwhile investment for gamers, content creators, and power users alike. Just be sure to check compatibility with your specific laptop model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.